Hi guys. This is a girl pet video, and I'm gonna show you all my pets if I can find them, because they always hide from me for some reason. But I just want to show you guys. Okay. I'll just get over to Max. Say hi, Max. He's the hairiest dog in the world. Blue! He's a puppy. Okay, back to me. I just need to find my cats. Okay. I just need to find them. Normally my cat Jersey lays right there, but she's somewhere else today, and I don't know why. And we're having lasagna tonight. Oh, kitten.
Olivia, will you please grab
This
my
is the
phone?
kitten.
Will you grab my phone, please?
Jersey normally lays on something, but I won't show her to you because she's a cat and
Over there.
she is really lazy, and she is not really old, but I'm just calling her old. So I'm gonna keep on taping until I find her. I'll just talk to you. I'm just gonna show you the kitten again because you didn't really see it. Close.
Are you crying, Mama? No.
Okay.
Oh, can I smell some?
Here's Jersey, my cat. She is a meowing perfect. And she does gymnastics sometimes and parkour. I have to get out of this room. Even that room. So I can sit right here and watch TV because my mom is calling my dad. So, and why this video is really long? Because it's 2 minutes long, and I just need to find the TV button.
Jar of sauce, and I don't. And I've already started.
Okay, good. So, guys and gals, okay, guys and gals, this is the end of the video because 3 minutes long. Lovely. Nah, I'm just gonna do it a couple 10 minutes long. Kids channel. I didn't really say that to you. I was just saying that to the TV because I have that. So like, it's a remote. Here's my sister. She has a channel named Olivia Sings. You can find her videos on Olivia Sings. It's a chocolate picture for her YouTube channel.
How many subscribers do you have?
I don't have subscribers. So guys, and I'm watching SpongeBob.
I don't want the small ones, I want the bigger ones so I can make soup.
And
So that's all I need. Just a jar of sauce.
and we're gonna do another video with this. And
I swear,
and I'll do this. So Max, get out of here. He always sits in front of me. You can see his hairy head. Yeah, I'm just showing him his head. Okay, I'm just gonna get up, show you what's cute about my cat Jersey. Oh, she ran away. Okay, let me just sit back down. Okay. So, okay. Bye, everybody. I hope you have a great night or afternoon. And Liv, could you stop? I'm not talking to you guys. I'm talking to her. But bye. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Okay, I'll stop. That's so creepy that I do that. Bye.